friends, how are you today? So I came here to discuss about the implementation of ITSM in Amazon services. We made this with the help of my five friends, Mounika, Anand, Rakesh, and kshitiz. So coming to introduction, here we can discuss that it has been one of the major prospect that has been getting implemented for better combination of the working process has been better in communication establishment section in the organization of Amazon. So it has been seen that the top of IT proper data collection can be made. This data collection has been ensuring that better predictive analytics can be performed. Another aspect this is considered in the section is the better reaching out to the as it is important for Amazon to reach maximum number of clients for converting the potential clients into existing clients. So this section has been ensuring that fact that better and prospect sectioning of the working process as analysis has been made, ensuring the fact that understanding of the requirement of the clients gets performed. This has been ensuring the fact the better services are provided. So we have done the methodology of this chosen is secondary data analysis. Qualitative analysis is performed and as well as quantitative data analysis also performed. The role, role in changing the way of communicating. Better communication is occurred as we go on communicating with the help of IT. As the communication occurs, we can collect the lots of data. So as the data makes attract more customers, and it makes normal clients with two what do you say uh, as the clients increases, and also as the clients increase the demand increases. So benefits of the ITSM in the is high return of investment and high turnover is received, and better problem solving analysis is also achieved. So the continuation of this session is done by with my friend Monica.
Start.
I'm Monica. Today I'm going to explain why Amazon needs ITSM, the future adoption of ITSM, and success factors of ITSM adoption. So why we need Amazon in ITSM? Because it improves the business by proper delivering of IT services. Also, it incorporates Amazon to assist the client's needs by segmenting them into different parts, so that each and every requirement of the client can be fulfilled carefully by proper assessment of the segments of the client requirements. And also Amazon enjoys the automation process in kits by implementing ITSM in Amazon. And the second factor is that why the future adoption of ITSM. There are certain factors that are considered to be a future of ITSM, which are advanced monitoring will be received in operational processes of ITSM, and effective knowledge management will be incorporated in the operational process, and intelligent asset provisioning. That might be the hardware, software, or it might be a financial aspect, or it also might be cloud services, which are SaaS that stands for services as a platform, and services and the hardware, software is implemented, and analytical software is expected improved in the system. Finally, entire efficiency of the Amazon process disturbance kundi chala.
Monica, start.
Okay, and the last aspect is that the efficiency of the process of operation is expected to be performing in a better manner. And the third part is that the success factors of ITSM adoption. The usage of agile project management is also considered to be the important aspect. The meaning of agile project management is it is very quicker, easier, and it can be more as required. and the implementation of change management for the better completion of the working process. Implementation of continuous services is also another important factor of why the ITSM is adopted in Amazon. Proper communication is must, it should be maintained during the implementation process. ITSM, as the ITSM is a very long process, and this is the main reason why operational process is getting better day by day by segmenting the client needs, increasing the efficiency, and also the workflows and metrics are the major parameters that are considered by the proper implementation of ITSM. As a result, by implementing ITSM in Amazon, there are many benefits as it improves the efficiency and performance. Thank you. And I'm handovering to next.
Hi guys, this is Anand. I'm going to explain the ITSM requirement methodologies. The ITSM methodology that has been considered as the operating process include the likes of integrated and the process-based sections. The different set of best practice has been one of the main segment that has been include better service support and service delivery. Hence, it can be stated that ITSM service methodology can be divided into two major sections, namely IT service support and service delivery. In this IT service, that factor that can be considered in the sections are namely configuration management, change management, release management, incident management, program management, and service data also stated in the section. Again, in the delivery section, again in the delivery section, available management, the IT service continuous service level management, and its IT service can be considered. Coming to the ITSM wronggoing, there are certain instances that proves that the process has been going wrong. They are namely getting complaints from the service desk. Again, it can be seen that the latest improvement in the performance, and this is the main reason that operating session has been better the work process. Again, in the case that has seen the customer going not satisfied with the system. This is the symptoms that help to understand the entire process has been become a failure. Next, there are change. Yeah, the integration and service value chain. The service value has been included at fact there has been proper assignment of interconnection activities, integration as well as supply value chain has been inclusion factors. That's better defined to variant or consider, and this is the reason that better result has been received. Thank you guys. In the next part, we're going to explain my friend.
I don't think it's being multi-sourcing and ITSM. This stage plays an important role, and the approach that is the considers in the section is joined up approach. This section is actually responsible for the establishing the relationship in between the service level and agreements. And next, move on to the outsourcing marketing dynamics. So outsourcing process has been helping Amazon in gaming devs as the audience base. This has been responsible for the better sectioning of the gaming, a higher sales rate. Diversity in the product range has been at another prospect that is to be considered. Next slide, please. Next one is like next, move on to the next slide. Okay, change the role of CIO. It has been like 35% of the total CIO has been spending less time on day-to-day management prospect of the organization. It has been seen the CIO has been spending more time on data security process. Innovation has been one of the major aspects that is being focused on this section. Next section and conclusion will explain by my friend Bharti. Over to you, Bharti.
Yeah, thanks. So I'm kshitiz and I'll be talking about adoption of IT services as a business strategy and implemented strategies. For the adoption of IT services, ITSM helps a great deal in the reduction of the operating cost. It helps manage all the adjoining equipments, and all the business related things, and makes it just simpler, which at the end of it reduces the cost of operations. And it has higher accountability, means you know every person who does a thing in a project or a IT management. And it also has higher visibility of the processes. It records and saves it, makes a data of it, and shows that you can view it, review it, which helps in making better service management in the future, as well as review the current projects. For the implementation strategies, it requires proper planning from knowing about the people involved, knowing what services it is focused on, and what it will, what the final product will be. For that, it's required to evaluate the cost required for the ITSM service and what it's gonna be. It should be better monitored. ITSM provides better monitor of the entire process of planning and deployment of a project. For the key recommendation for ITSM, it needs to be continually improved. Meaning you cannot just use a system previously used. You have to keep improving it so that it's faster, it gets cheaper, and it's more widely used in different sectors. And it's also important to keep the data secured and provide a better structured outflow of the entire process of ITSM. This work talks about the advancement of data innovation administration. The executives utilize distributed computing way. The ITSM helps to deal with and improve the exhibition of organizations framework and web-based learning. The system topology is demonstrated and mimicked for framework organization and web-based learning. ITSM is basically a giant topology created in distributed system utilizing, and Amazon has will be uh, improved with the proper use of ITSM in the future as well. Thank you for listening to the presentation. Bye bye. And that's it. Thank you.
Yeah.